Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download landing page checklists from Unbounce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download landing page checklists from Unbounce, start by visiting the Unbounce website. Once there, navigate to the top menu and select the Resources tab. In the drop-down menu, look for Guides and click on it. Scroll down the Guides page until you find the section for landing page checklists. Here, you will see various checklist options available for download. Choose the checklist that suits your needs by clicking on the corresponding image or link. After clicking, you will be redirected to a new page with more details about the checklist. To download the checklist, look for a prominent button that says Download Now or similar. You may be prompted to enter your email address or other information to access the checklist. Fill in the required fields and click on the Submit or Download button. Once you complete the form, the download should start automatically. If it does not, check for a confirmation email in your inbox. This email often contains a direct link to download your checklist. Click the link in the email to access the checklist file. The checklist will typically be in PDF format for easy viewing. Save the PDF to your preferred location on your device. Now you have your Unbounce landing page checklist ready for use. You can refer to it as you create and optimize your landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.